Hello, welcome to the channel viewers. Tenerife Tez at Los Cristianos, just outside the Olive Garden. And there's the Olive Garden there, which you can go up the steps to. You can actually go inside the building and enter it from the other side as well. Right at the top of here on the right hand side is Cases. But we're going to take a walk down here today. Doctors there should you need it, or should you need them, should I say. But hopefully not. And I think this is the Pasarela Centre. There's the Love India, which is Indian cuisine. I'm not going to go in there. There is too much music playing, etc. So, one or two people have recommended this place, this Love India. So why not give that one a go? Try it out. Let me know what you think as well. So, Olive Garden up there. Seems to say, doctors, Cases right on the corner. I'm not going to go in the Pasarela Centre there. This is Love India. Now, one or two people has actually recommended this Indian tandoori place, and give it very, very good. Very, very good recommendations. So that's one that you need to check out. Chicago's up there as well. This actually wraps around the corner, so we'll check out around the corner. And don't know if you can make out the prices. So that looks affordable, doesn't it, folk? Do you reckon? And there's the A board. So that tells you what's happening. So as I say, we'll just have a quick walk around here. Is the Islander Paddy open? Maybe. It's been closed for such a long time. Yeah, there you go. This is the sunny side of Chicago's currently. Just move out of the way there. Go up a little bit further. Overseas restaurant there. The Asian Bistro. Is the Islander Paddy open? Maybe. It's been closed for such a long time. One day, possibly. What do you think? I'm not sure if it's got bigger. Was it only just one locale before or not? Let me know. Restaurants changed hands at the top. And we'll look round here. And this is the attic bar just up here. That's there, look here. That is the attic. This is your new steak restaurant, I think. Tomahawk steak there, look you. And shows you what else they have. Not been in there, try that one. Let me know what that one's like. El Mirador over there, look you. The apartments. But I think we'll cross over here. So you get a better look at the place. So over we go. And same as I say, you can actually go onto the top deck up there as well. There are lifts and escalators. So take your pick, and steps if you just want to be a little bit of fitness and burn off a few calories. I would imagine it gets very, very hot for kiddies up there. What do you reckon? That's what I think anyway. Possibly too hot. Maybe it should be undercover. But there you go. Mirador private residence. Okay. Anyway, some of the villas over there You do see them rented out, but a lot of them are privately owned. And very, very nice they are as well. Okay then, viewers, I'm Tenerife Tez. I'm going to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.